Alright, here we are. 1959 Case Construction King. It's got a, I believe they call that a 2-foot bucket. Got separate controls here for the rear. Loader valve for the front. Got all new gauges. Oil's been changed. All new wiring. Battery. Alternator. Some new hoses. Brand new tires. I'm going to show this thing in some action now. Alright, good enough. Woo!
You gonna say something to Ray?
Yeah, Ray! It's an awesome truck, tractor. It's big. It'll definitely lift the motor up, lift up big rocks, and got outriggers. We're all set to go. I'll shut the gas off.